two, three. 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year, Kuya! Happy New Year!
With my little baby Maya.
Apo! Happy New Year! Apo! Hi! Ano, tulog time na? Ay, kay Kuya, kay Daddy pa pala na ginawa kanina na ano. May ginawa si Daddy doon. Ano ba naman ni Daddy? Caramel slice. Asa na yun?
Let's go, Daddy.
Nah, wouldn't be set yet.
Hindi pa masyadong malamig daw yun na. Ano na? Kaunti mo. Buhay. Talas 12 nga to. Hintayin mo pa yung chulbukla. Buksan mo yung pizza.
Yeah, Maya wants some pizza.
Open, Daddy.
Because there's ants on it already.
Daddy, can you open please? And Daddy can get some.
You need to cut that. You have ants already. You need to cut that.
Kat? Kuya? Paano mo buksan yung Kuya? May gunting doon.
Ayun, gunting ko.
Ay, dito na ko. Tingnan mo sa kwarto.
Gunting lang, wag lang.